Warm greetings to you all and welcome back again to another video. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. In today's video we are making puff puff, and this puff puff I use carrot in making it, and this was my first time of doing it. So let's get into the video. Now in my pot I will add some carrot and then add some water. I will put this on the fire to boil for some minutes. In my bowl, I added 2 cups of self-rising flour, some sugar, powdered milk, and also cinnamon powder. I will mix them together. I will also leave the measurement in the description box below. So after that, I went ahead to add my blended carrots and also some pineapple essence, which is optional. You can omit it. I will mix everything together. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are welcome. Thanks for clicking on this video. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified each time I post a video. So please stay tuned. Okay, fam, this is the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. So since I didn't use any yeast, I'll just heat up my oil. Then once the oil is hot, I will start frying my puff puff. Alright, fam, our carrot puff puff is all done. Just look at this beautiful and perfect outcome, and I was really impressed by this. Considering this being my first time of making puff puff with carrot, I was so pleased with it. And It looks so crispy outside. So let's check how soft it is from the inside. And guys, just check this out. This looks so soft from the inside, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, share this video among your friends, and also comment on this video. Till I come your way again, see you in my next video.